Welcome to our guide on house remodeling. Ever thought about giving your house a new look? Remodeling can be a rewarding experience, but it's not without its pitfalls. Today, we'll guide you through the common mistakes to avoid during your remodeling project. Mistake number 1, not setting a realistic budget. This can lead to financial stress. Mistake number 2, ignoring the home's original architecture. This can result in a disjointed design. Mistake number 3, choosing the wrong contractor. This can lead to subpar work and delays. Mistake number 4, overlooking permits. This can lead to legal issues. Mistake number 5, neglecting the home's resale value. This can lead to financial loss. Now, let's talk about how to avoid these mistakes. First, always set a realistic budget. Second, respect your home's original architecture. It's part of its charm. Third, do your research before hiring a contractor. Check their references and past work. Fourth, always get the necessary permits. It's better to be safe than sorry. Finally, consider your home's resale value. Make improvements that will add value, not detract from it. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can save time, money, and stress. And most importantly, you'll end up with a home that you love and are proud to show off. So, are you ready to remodel your house the right way? Let's get started.